getting bitten by mosquitoes, and my video little feller over there is afraid to be in front of the camera. Wants me to perform and be nice and gentle to all you tourists. I ain't gonna do it. It's me day off. I don't work on God's day, and I don't work on Saturday because I need a day off. And as I work hard, 5 days a week, whatever it is. They call me Captain Crabby Pants. You don't pay your bill, your card bounces. You don't bring the captain cash, you get Captain Crabby Pants. There's the logo. This is my name. From the bounty. And they always ask me, where are you from, Captain? I say, hey, what's it to you? That's where me treasure is buried. Okay. And if you follow me home, I dare you to come around the corner, because I will make you drink some of Davy Jones' blood if you're not careful. Now, what you should do if you want to enjoy some time with me is book, sit, relax. If you can't see it, get the guide post out of the way, because not all captains can put a tri-tune on the trailer like the captain can. Hey, Al, it's Captain Crabby Pants, the alter ego from the owner, Banana River Boat Tours, Captain C.J. Enneking. If you want to share me joy about dealing with the landlubbers out there, come and join us for a 2-hour tour. We run daily, Monday to Saturday, 321-759. Tour, if you dare. Arr! What are we doing here? I don't mind asking me at the bar. Drinking me rum after the end of a long day. And instead, high-tech technology makes me sit here swatting mosquitoes for you people and making a YouTube video. My name is Captain Crabby Pants. It's Friday and I want to go drink some rum because it's been a long week. Oh, if you follow me on Facebook at Banana River Boat Tours, you would already know what kind of long week it's been for the captain and his crew. It's hot, it's beautiful. Double manatees, obviously, we're in full shade, and it's 109 degrees. I highly recommend you book the early tour, darling. 9 to 11, 11 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5:30 to 7:30, July and August. We book bioluminescence. Call me. Right there. Hurry up. Half of July's already booked. All day. Celebrations of life, you name it. You can do it on a boat. You won't show the captain anything he hasn't seen before. Because remember, the captain is immortal. I live forever. You can't do anything on my boat that I, the captain, haven't seen before. Alright. Captain out. What are we doing here? I don't mind asking me at the bar, drinking me rum after the end of a long day. And instead, this high-tech technology makes me sit here swatting mosquitoes for you people and making a YouTube video. My name is Captain Crabby Pants. It's Friday and I want to go drink some rum because it's been a long week. Oh, if you follow me on Facebook at Banana River Boat Tours, you would already know what kind of long week it's been for the captain and his crew. It's hot, it's beautiful. Double manatees, obviously, we're in full shade, and it's 109 degrees. I highly recommend you book the early tour, darling. 9 to 11, 11 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5:30 to 7:30, July and August. We book bioluminescence. Call me. Right there. Hurry up. Half of July's already booked.